Hey, what's up, y'all? This is my daily routine and day 2 of unbaking my back in 3 weeks. I am a 71% successful grant writer, and I dedicate my time to making sure you all are educated on these free money opportunities, honey, especially if you are black and brown like me, okay? All right, so this is my daily cardio. We are actually going to walk to a local plaza. I live in Latin America, y'all. I've been able to get rich off of grant opportunities. I've definitely went through the ebbs and flows of business. I financially failed my business, and I've been called scams, frauds, everything in a book but a child of God. But guess what? That didn't stop me. Through my phases of adversity, I kept persevering, and I'm hoping that I encourage you to do the same. So grant funding helped me move out of the country, explore the world, and educate myself on different perspectives. I've been able to network with different business owners since living abroad. So right now I don't know if y'all know this, but I'm pescatarian. So I only eat fish, shrimp, anything from out of the sea. But I don't eat chicken, all that good stuff. So right now I'm just doing some light shopping for the week, and for me and Murphy, I got everything for actually less than $100. I love when I go to the store and I don't have to spend $100. So that's what I'm talking about. I love it here. After shopping, look at y'all nephew. Like, he's just so, he just want to be a straight so bad. Get yourself up. Acting like he ain't got no home training. Now we're on our way back. Okay. And usually when I'm done with my cardio, I like to do like a at-home workout through YouTube. So yeah, I get on YouTube. I support other YouTubers, right? Because I'm a YouTuber myself. I'm always talking about free grant opportunities on YouTube. So make sure you guys click the link in my bio and subscribe and share, because all of the gems I'm dropping is literally free education on how you can get this free money. Honey, I live in Latin America. Okay. I don't live in Panama City, Florida. I live in Panama City, Panama. All right. I live in a paradise, and it's just been amazing. One of the best decisions I've ever made. And in order for you to enjoy a financially free life, you got to prioritize your business funding journey. So that's why I'm here to assist you. So book a one-on-one consultation with me today by, commenting #grants, or just simply DM me.